Learn 100 idioms. Challenged Egg 3. Idioms? Put all your eggs in one basket, meaning risk everything by investing all in one plan. Usage in sentence. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You should diversify your investments. Idiom, quiet as a mouse, meaning very quiet. Usage in sentence. Be as quiet as a mouse while I put the baby to sleep. Idiom, rule of thumb, meaning a broadly accurate guide or principle. Usage in sentence. As a rule of thumb, I don't eat after 8 p.m. Idiom, smell a rat, meaning start to suspect trickery or deception. Usage in sentence. I smell a rat. They are being unusually nice to me. Idiom, take it with a pinch of salt, meaning consider something to be not completely true or right. Usage in sentence. You must take everything he says with a pinch of salt. Idiom, under the weather, meaning feeling ill or sick. Usage in sentence. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I think I have a cold. Idiom, variety is the spice of life, meaning changes and new experiences make life more enjoyable. Usage in sentence. I love to travel. Variety is the spice of life. Idiom, when pigs fly, meaning something that will never happen. Usage in sentence. He'll tidy up his room when pigs fly. Idiom, you can't make an omelet without breaking eggs, meaning it's impossible to achieve anything significant without causing some harm. Usage in sentence. We'll have to cut costs somewhere. You can't make an omelet without breaking eggs. Idiom, once in a blue moon, meaning comment your answer. Usage in sentence. Comment your answer. Idioms PDF available in description. Check it. Hit the bell icon, subscribe now, and let's learn and grow together.